Oh, let's see. Ghislaine Maxwell's crying that she doesn't have enough freedom. Last I checked, she was in jail, right?
Oh, yeah. I wouldn't be surprised if she's on fucking Epstein work release program stuff. All the treatment I've already heard she's been getting. Such, yeah.
I can't believe that.
Oh, the biggest thing was that FBI individual now, right? Who's going to bring a whole thing crashing down. The FBI individual who's guilty of changing emails, right? To continue the impeachment proceedings that lasted for so long, right? With the Steele dossier that was purchased by the Clinton Foundation, he is now pleading guilty. And in exchange, I guess, for something, you know, a lot less of a sentence than he would have gotten, he's going to rat everybody out. Freaking, yeah, so it's coming down here. And let's see Hillary and Bill dodge out of this one. They actually paid for the fake dossier, and this dude's can come and clean. He's already been prosecuted. And, yeah, you should have seen Trump's talking about things are coming down the pipeline now.
I think you're
people are going to be getting convicted, you know.
Yep,
so.
You're going to see a lot of these people that they're going to go, okay, I'm looking at Fed time here, or if I just tell the truth
and hang everybody else, yeah.
I walk and everybody else has to deal with it. You know, I've always believed in, you know, don't rat and you deal with the consequences. You get caught, you don't take everybody down with you. But, you know, that's in a different kind of game, a different mindset. When you're talking stuff like this, I'm singing. I'm sorry. My freedom, absolutely. You give me a chance, a second chance. If I were to mess up like that, and you're gonna offer me a chance to redeem myself and be with my family and my children and my freedom.
Yep. He's gonna take it. Yep.
You bet they are, dude. 9 out of 10 of them are.
Yeah, and you're right. It's a big difference between like a freaking, I don't know, reputation of a gang or a mobster or this or that, you know.
Drug
dealer. Is like the actual fate of the country and the free world, you know.
Right.
And that is a lot different of a ballpark, you know.
You bet. These people, I mean, these gangbangers and drug dealers, it's, oh, my reputation, and it's, yeah, I can see that too, and you know, on the political side of this, but it's completely different. It's a completely different, you know, apples to oranges. You know what I mean?
My goodness, I don't know who else. What they would do to me, dude, if they were gonna put me on trial for something. I deleted freaking not only 30,000 pieces of evidence, but then smashed my cell phone, SIM card, my tablets, set my office on fire. Yeah, they would throw away the key and never let me out again just because of that.
Right.
But now, apparently she was in court on June 1st for the email thing again. Right? And now the judge, Roger Walter or something like that, who apparently has been put in place by Obama, decided to postpone the case till December 4th. Okay? December 4th, so that they could get all this evidence, all this stuff together again, which they've already had years.
Right.
So this doesn't stink of a corrupt judge at all, who's just helping to stall the process with their lawyers.
Yeah.
And if that's the case, you know, that's exactly what, I mean, you'd think Antifa and BLM be all over that. Straight corruption at one of the highest levels. There you go. And if you can't have equality and justice in the justice system, nothing else will work. The first thing they need to get rid is all the politicians and start filtering down from there through the legal system and get everyone who's on the take or had a questionable past, you know, corruption,
right.
Get them the hell out, you know.
Clean house.
Prosecute them, you know. If they've done crimes,
yeah, punish, get them out. You've got, you know, your own political thugs, you know, if you will, running things, and it's scary, the history that some of these people have.
Well, that's all they're doing is trying to postpone it so that hopefully if Joe gets elected, it'll all go away.
Swept under the rug.
But yeah, when the Steele dossier stuff comes out, you know, like these stupid people we saw at those rallies, you know, how Trump committed crimes, Trump's in Russia's pocket, all this other, who have no idea. They still have no idea that the reports come out, dude. That's fake. The Democratic Party paid for fake information to impeach him with. Bill and Hillary Clinton paid for a Steele dossier that now this FBI guy is facing charges on and has been convicted of. He's like, he pled guilty to covering it up for their fake dossier that they paid for to continue with impeachment, to stall up the government. And that's all they succeeded doing, is stalling up the government. And any process that could have been passed as laws to help the country in 2 years, what they do, waste everybody's time.
The Clintons they were in bed with a lot of people, or a lot of people were in bed with the Clintons. And a lot of people that know their dirty little secrets.
Nope.
I shouldn't say a lot, but there's a handful of people that could, if they were to expose the Clintons, the Clintons would be in deep mud.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
And it's getting to the point where these people are, I think that maybe they're realizing is that they're either fighting an uphill battle or they're fighting a battle that they can't win.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, now I'm being prosecuted for this stuff. Yeah, that wasn't part of the deal, Billary.
Exactly.
And I'm gonna cut my losses with you. I'm gonna tell them what they are asking me to tell them, and we can both go our merry ways. Mm-hmm. I'm going home, and you're going to jail.
Yep.
It's you can only do that kind of stuff for so long. She tried to cheat her way into the White House.
Yep.
Tried to lie, cheat, steal, by any means necessary. And she went about it the wrong way. I think a lot of people were kind of on the fence with her. The whole Benghazi thing, letting people die over, American soldiers die over there.
Yep.
I think a lot of people were on the fence with her, and then that happened, and they were like, obviously, she didn't have as many people supporting her as she thought because she lost the election. She's got bigger things to worry about than losing an election.
Yep, that's for sure. The only thing that would have happened if she had won is they had covered up even deeper. It'd be probably impossible at this point. We'd probably, it'd be a different beast we're looking at today.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, as far as this country goes. Yeah.
I wonder if she could have pardoned herself.
I don't know. Maybe she's counting on Joe to do it when she gets.
Of course she is.
In there. I think, what was it that she was gunning for? She was gunning for a position on the Supreme Court if Joe gets elected.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's the first I've heard that.
I saw some news channel reporting that if Joe's elected, he'd consider putting Hillary on the Supreme Court.
Who's he going to get rid of?
Well, aren't they getting rid of Ruth Ginsburg? I think they're going to have another
the one that's
pick
her health
there.
Is real bad?
Yeah. It's not doing so well, I don't think, anymore.
Yeah.
She was pretty old, but yeah.
Yeah, she just got diagnosed with cancer again or something.
She
says, no, I'm going to work through it.
And I think that's who they want to replace her. Imagine how horrible that would be.
Yeah. Oh
the devastation that would cause.
Oh my God, that'd be the worst thing that Biden could do.
Yeah, because there you go. The justice system has to be corruption-free and equal for anything under it to be equal. These people, Antifa and them, screaming about it all over the place. But yeah, can you imagine what would happen if you put her on the Supreme Court? Oh dear God, there you go.
She'd be the bully in there. She'd be trying to run the show.
Uh-huh.
Wow. Isn't she? I guess she's not. She's probably about the right age, probably average age to sit on the Supreme Court. That's one of those jobs that the only way you leave is when you die. Who's the last person that was on there that left?
I don't remember. I'm drawing a blank on that. I'd have to look into it.
Yeah.
Well, I do know there was a small kind of upset moment about it because I guess the dude, I don't know, was it John Roberts? Is that his name? The guy that took the position or something? I don't know. Could be talking stupid. But anyway, there was a big thing about him because apparently Trump got him appointed to the Supreme Court, right? He's supposed to be this big Trump guy. Well, apparently he's upset Trump a few times voting the other way.
Really?
Yeah.
Backstabber.
So that's kind of funny and ironic.
Yeah, if a guy's going to do you a favor, don't turn around and stab him in the back. That's the problem, politics. There's a lot of fake going on, a lot of BS going on, a lot of I'm going to tell you what you like to hear or what you want to hear, but at the end of the day, I'm going to go home and I'm going to do something completely different.
I would like to look into the policy for a moment of what he was voting on, exactly, to see how it aligns with right and left and all this and why he voted that way. But I don't know, maybe he was doing it because it was the right thing to do. Maybe he was doing it because he had corrupt pressure on him.
True.
From his constituents, I don't. But yeah, there's so much going on, especially with that little BLM freaking donation list.
Oh.
That BLM donation list. Oh my goodness, dude, as if that isn't incriminating too. See, if they weren't
Slightly.
such a joke before, just biased leftist murderers, now I don't even know what to say after reading that.
Right.
Okay, well, that's another one. So good night, folks. Have fun out there.
Be safe, do your research, learn something new.
Yeah, give us a like and a subscribe, help support us,
Please do. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're going to do our best to bring you guys all the updated, dirty dirt that we can, and just keep this ball rolling. And we're really enjoying doing this, having some good laughs at times, and we hope you guys are too. We appreciate your support.
Catch you soon.
Take care.